These days, you only need to carry a few things, so why lug around a massive wallet? That's why we invented SlimFold. By designing a wallet around today's modern everyday carry, we drastically reduce bulk while maximizing functionality. The softshell material further reduces thickness. Think of it as a cross between Gore-Tex and Kevlar. The sophisticated matte finish has a slight texture for the perfect amount of grip. Softshell is much more durable than leather and stays looking new for years. It's even waterproof and machine washable. The micro-size layout allows you to organize up to 8 cards while still being 2 to 3 times thinner than traditional wallets. Inside, you'll find an ID window and precision-cut card slots to keep them organized. Then, behind where the bills go, there's space for additional cards. Select the RFID blocking option to protect your information from being stolen at a distance. Since 2009, SlimFold has led the minimalist wallet revolution. We've now delivered over 100,000 wallets to customers in more than 70 countries. Our products are still made in USA, and we stand behind this wallet with an industry-leading 5-year warranty. The best way to find out if this is the perfect wallet for you is to experience it for yourself. Put your cards in it and you'll feel the difference right away.
Here are 5 easy ways to use your lactation massager. Hold the massager with your thumb placed between the buttons and the small tip. Press into the breast while moving towards the nipple. This technique applies pressure on your milk ducts and moves the milk forward, which can help you empty more effectively. Use the small tip to reach deeper into the breast ducts. This is great for working out knots and clogs in the breast. The scoop edge makes it easy to move fluid. Using the scoop edge helps to move hind milk forward and can also help relieve hardness from engorgement. It's also great for reaching under the breast. Place the massager in your bra with the small tip facing down. This can help stimulate letdown and improve milk flow. If you are pumping, you can place the narrow tip on the flange to increase the vibration area. Applying pressure and compression on your breast can help you empty better. Place the massager button side up and rock the sides forward and back. Experiment with different techniques and positions on the breast to find what is most comfortable and effective for you.